You're gonna be okay, Mama.
I received a text message from someone who said, I found a mother dog laying in a wooded area.
We're gonna take care of you and your baby.
When we got there, the mom was tucked back. She was just laying there staring at us, and there were puppies just surrounding her.
You want some pebbles?
My first thought was, if she's been living on her own, of course she's going to be defensive and protective of her babies. But she looked exhausted and defeated. The puppies were so cute. They all looked surprisingly healthy. The puppies were about 2 weeks old.
You got a lot of babies in there. This guy's on his back eating still.
The first night, when we first got home, the mom was definitely very cautious around us. She saw the little swimming pool we had set up for her with blankets and pillows and climbed in. The next day, I definitely think she started warming up. So we named the mama Sky, and the puppies are our constellation fruit. So we named them Orion and Andromeda, Aurora. There are 11 puppies.
Hey guys!
So Sky's personality as an individual, not just as a mom, started to come out. And then some days she would be doing like zoomies in the yard and then run back to the door where the puppies were. She loves affection. A total different personality from the reserved, quiet dog that we first met. She would start to wag her tail as soon as we walked in the door.
Where's your babies? Oh, they're sleeping.
Very full of life, confident, happy-go-lucky puppies.
Is this a joke? You guys are making so much noise. It's okay. What? What is it? What are you doing, handsome? Are you getting your picture taken?
All of the puppies are now adopted. It's been really fun seeing from all of their families, them settling into their new homes. Honestly, felt like in the blink of an eye, they are now in homes and have their own families.
Good girl.
Sky is still in foster care. Sky actually ended up testing a strong positive for heartworm. She'll begin heartworm treatment soon. That will last 4 months. When all is said and done, she'll get her time to be finally healthy and in a home of her own.